So this is a continuation of the inspection. I actually used my camera and water to get the sewer cleared because it was actually stopped up before. Then I went ahead and pushed the camera in as far as I can. We got it as far as 60 feet, and that's as far as we can push it. And the reason is because there's so many turns on the sewer pipe. There's way too many turns on it to physically be able to actually push the camera any further than this. So I'd recommend that another clean out be installed outside in the driveway, and then from that clean out we could inspect the rest of the sewer from there all the way out to the street. But as of right now I actually have water running and the sewer appears to be draining, so I'm going to pull it back so we can inspect the rest of the sewer pipe. So you can see here on the left hand side of the screen there's actually some roots coming in the sewer pipe right there. Not very much, but there's definitely some coming in there. And there's also some on the top there. You can see right here on the very top of the screen, top right hand side, there's more roots coming in there, and there's more roots there. So this is a cast iron section of pipe, and it's severely corroded, broken, and needs to be replaced. And this is pretty much where the stoppage was as well, that I had to clear with the camera.